In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send music file in Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the Email tab. From there, choose the option to create a new email. This is where you will start building the message that will be sent to your audience. After that, select a template. Constant Contact gives you different layouts to choose from, so pick one that fits the style of your email. If you are sharing a music file, it is usually best to choose a clean template that makes your main call to action easy to see. This helps keep the email simple and makes it easier for people to find the file link. Next, click to customize the template. This opens the email editor, where you can adjust the content and layout. At this point, you will want to decide how you want subscribers to access the music file. A button works well if you want a clear download or listen action. An image can also work if you want something more visual. Now drag either a button block or an image block into your email layout. Place it in the section where you want readers to click. Once the block is in position, click on that element and select the link icon. This is the option that lets you attach a destination to the button or image. When the link settings appear, choose Document. This is important because you are linking directly to a file rather than to a web page. Then upload your music file. Make sure you select the correct version of the file before moving on, especially if you have multiple edits or formats saved on your device. Once the upload finishes, click Insert. Your button or image will now link to that music file. This means anyone who receives the email can click the linked element to access the file. Before sending anything, take a moment to use the Preview and Test option. This is a good way to make sure the email looks right and the link works properly. It is especially helpful for checking how the email appears on both desktop and mobile. When everything looks good, click Continue and send the email to your list. That covers everything you need to know.